If you've ever wished you had eyes in every direction while driving, the PRUVEEO 360-degree dash cam might just be your new favorite co-pilot. With full 4-channel coverage, front, rear, inside, and side views, this little black box is like having a full surveillance team inside your car. In today's video, we're diving deep into the PRUVEEO 4-channel dash cam. We'll look at its features, performance, pros and cons, and whether it's worth adding to your driving setup. So buckle up. Now, when you think dash cams, most people imagine a simple front camera. But the PRUVEEO D90-4CH takes things to a whole new level with 360-degree monitoring. That means no blind spots, literally. Whether you're protecting your car from accidents, hit and runs, or break-ins, this camera is always watching. Let's break down what you get right out of the box. Unboxing and build quality. Inside the box, you get the main dash cam unit, which is compact and modern-looking with a 3-inch display. Along with that, there's a GPS module, a car charger, multiple mounting brackets, a user manual, and 4 cameras, all built directly into the device. That's right, no complicated multi-camera setup to wire around the car. The build quality feels solid and premium for the price. It's lightweight but doesn't feel cheap, and the design is subtle enough not to draw too much attention. Great for staying discreet. Setup and installation. Installation is surprisingly easy for a 4-channel system. Mount it using the suction cup or adhesive, plug it into your 12V outlet, and you're good to go. It powers on with the car, so you never have to remember to turn it on. Each camera is adjustable, front, rear, inside, and the side views can all be angled to your preference. You don't need to run wires across the car to separate cameras, which is a huge plus for non-tech savvy users. Video quality and performance. Now onto the meat and potatoes, video performance. The PRUVEEO dashcam records in 1080p across all 4 channels simultaneously. That's right, 4 full HD video feeds being captured at once. The front camera delivers crisp, detailed footage, especially during daylight. The rear view is slightly more limited due to its angle, but still clear enough for license plates and close calls. The interior camera is equipped with infrared LEDs, which kick in automatically at night. If you're an Uber or Lyft driver, this is perfect for monitoring passenger behavior, day or night. The side cams offer additional context, catching footage that would otherwise fall outside the field of view of traditional dual dash cams. Together, these views give you a seamless panoramic perspective of your entire vehicle. Night vision is surprisingly decent across the board. While you won't get cinematic clarity in pitch-black conditions, objects, headlights, and license plates remain recognizable in most lighting situations. User interface and features. The PRUVEEO interface is clean and simple. Navigating menus on the 3-inch screen is easy using the physical buttons. You can toggle between camera views, playback footage, and access settings without needing a smartphone app. The dash cam supports loop recording, meaning it'll overwrite older footage when your SD card fills up. You also get G-sensor collision detection, which locks footage automatically during sudden impacts, and parking mode, which records while your car is off if movement is detected nearby. You'll need a Class 10 micro SD card, up to 256 GB supported, which is not included, so factor that into your total cost. One notable feature is the GPS logging, which records your speed and location alongside your video files. This is especially useful in the case of accidents or disputes. Real-world testing. In actual driving tests, the PRUVEEO dashcam delivered solid performance. Footage was consistently stable and detailed enough to catch street signs, road markings, and other vehicles. The side and rear cameras help in tight parking spots and busy intersections, adding that extra layer of awareness. In busy traffic situations, having 4 angles of video can be game-changing. Whether someone cuts you off or rear-ends you, you'll have every possible angle covered. And for those late-night parking lot incidents, the infrared cabin camera and motion detection make this device a round-the-clock security guard. Who it's for? So, who is this dash cam really for? It's ideal for rideshare drivers, delivery professionals, road trip enthusiasts, or anyone who values complete situational awareness. If you've ever said, "I wish I caught that on camera," this device is the solution. That said, it might be overkill for someone who only needs basic front and rear coverage. Pros and cons recap. Let's sum it all up. Pros. True 360-degree coverage, front, rear, inside, and both sides. 1080p resolution on all 4 channels. Infrared interior camera for night monitoring. GPS logging and G-sensor built in. Easy plug-and-play setup, no wiring headache. Great value for the feature set. Cons. No built-in Wi-Fi or app support. No SD card included. Limited customization or image adjustment options. 1080p resolution is good, but 2K or 4K would be even better for front cam clarity. Final verdict and rating. Overall, the PRUVEEO 360-degree 4-channel dash cam delivers tremendous value for under $150. It doesn't rely on fancy apps or overcomplicated interfaces. It just does the job, and it does it well. The video clarity is solid, the installation is easy, and the full coverage setup gives unmatched peace of mind on the road. If you're looking for a reliable dash cam that watches your back and sides and front and cabin, this is a top contender. Modern Gadget Guy rating 8.5 out of 10. Want to check out the PRUVEEO 360 dash cam for yourself? Click the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Whether you're a rideshare driver or just want next-level coverage for your vehicle, this cam has you covered, literally. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Modern Gadget Guy for more hands-on tech reviews just like this. Thanks for watching.